Hello guys, this is Chitrank Dixit and today we will see hosting and installing your first WordPress site. So to host a site you would need a hosting service. So for test purposes runhosting.com is a good one. So I have already made an account on this site. If you want to test something like WordPress CMSs or your test sites, you should make an account on runhosting.com. You need to sign up. I'm just logging in, so I would log in and select this new control panel, and we are redirected to the dashboard. On the dashboard of the control panel we can see lots of services like hosting tools or some other services. Because we are using a free account, we need to buy these services. So there are domain manager, Zaki installer, file manager, FTP manager, hosting settings, database managers, SSH manager, PHP settings, and lots more. So to create our first WordPress site, what we need to do is to use this Zaki installer. On this host there is a Zaki installer, but there are many like SoftIQS or other ones. So I just click on this Zaki installer. Now Zaki installer is opening its own wizard. Taking much more time on this. And yes, it has opened up. So in the first step of our wizard we need to select our platform. So you have two platforms to build your site. runhosting.com provide these two platforms free, but on other platform you need to buy some more better plans. So I'm choosing WordPress. Now it has redirected me to the second step to choose design and install plugins. So I'm choosing this responsive design, or hit next. Now it also asks me to pre-select some plugins or modules that WordPress uses. So I don't need such modules or plugins for now. I would install it later. So just click next, not select anything. Now at the third step it would ask you some configuration settings of your website. So on which domain you want to install your WordPress site. So I'm selecting my chitrank.scienceontheweb.net. Or you can register a new domain as well, or use a free subdomain under your main domain. So I'm using this chitrank.scienceontheweb.net as subdomain, which is provided to me by runhosting as free. Now I need to select, I can select my own installation path, but I am leaving it blank, so it would install all my WordPress files under this chitrank.scienceontheweb.net. I can have the title of my website as testing WordPress, and admin email address as my own. Admin username and admin password. Now as I have filled up all the details, I would just need to click next, and this would start. This would once again ask me if I need to change some options or not. are my settings up to the mark, or I want to change some stuff like the domain or installation path. So I'm clicking on this button, install now. So when I click on this button, it would install up everything. So first is creating the databases, then it configured the domain, and it would build the path and copy the files, and all's done. So creating first the database, it has created successfully, it has configured the domain successfully, it has built the path successfully, and now it's copying the files. It might take some more minutes, several minutes. So it has copied all the files and sent me an email. Now we have some settings, so I can access my front end of the WordPress site from this link. So this is my testing WordPress site. The template we had chosen earlier, it has shown up over here, and this is the link from which I can access my admin dashboard of the WordPress site. So I just right click on this, open link in the new tab, and I will be asked for login. So this is my username and this is password. Click on remember me, login. This is my admin dashboard. I can manage each and everything from here. It's like adding up new users, adding new plugins, changing appearances, approving comments, adding more pages and media, adding posts, so on. So for now, just copy this information and keep it somewhere, just like I'm keeping this in my mail draft. Everything right. Now after the creation of the site, I had said that it has sent me a mail. So it has sent me a mail that I have created a new WordPress site, and my new WordPress site has been successfully set up at this link. Username is this one and password is not disclosed. So this is all about setting your first ever WordPress site. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.